This is a video my friend sent me while taking the Lahore Orange Line metro. Owing to the consistent energy supply under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor energy projects, the metro line is able to run efficiently across the city of Lahore. But what many Chinese people are not aware of is that in the past, Pakistan has been facing power shortages, with power outages occurring every summer. In September of 2021, Pakistan's first high-voltage direct current transmission project, the Lahore 660 kilovolt direct transmission project, started operating. With the help of this project, subways and trains can now be put into operation. Since I'm studying in China, my friends and family back home are very curious about the high voltage transmission technology that brings sufficient electricity to Pakistan. Coincidentally, there is an even better high voltage transmission energy project in Suzhou, and today I am going to explore it. Now I have arrived at the Gusu converter station of the 800 kilovolt ultra high voltage direct current transmission project. According to the introduction from the people here, the Haitan power transmission project is very similar to the Lahore Matiari power transmission project, which also transports electricity from areas with high energy demand.
它高压磁流呢，就是西电东输的一条高速公路，并且呢是点对点的输送，中间呢不停靠，具有这个容量大、损耗低、效率高的这个优势。那么这里啊，我每年有300亿千瓦时的这个清洁电能从白河山输送到苏州，差不多相当于苏州整个1/5的这个用电量。换而言之呢，这些清洁能源每年节省下来1400万吨的发电用煤，减少了2500万吨的这个二氧化碳的排放，有力的推动了苏州能源转型的升级。